Hello dear friend, I am HD. Today I draw a kitchen emoji very easily.
Oh,
Let's
come
go
on.
start.
At first draw heart shape. After draw a circle, you can also do same process. Now draw circle. Then draw letter V. Its inverse. Then draw number 3. Now draw left side black color. Black color is dark. Okay. Now same process. Left side 3. You can think and a small 3. Then same process. Draw a small 3, a small V. Then fill the color. Now you can draw a big circle and draw a small circle. Fill up the big circle color. Drawing is complete. Now I color it. Now I draw yellow color. First, draw borderline very carefully. Dear friend, if you are new viewers, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And like, comment, share this video. I request to you, you must be hype this channel. Your hype is very important and valuable to me. Every border do color very carefully. Now I color in outline of heart shape. Now also color letter V shape. That's angle type. Dear friend, what is your favorite song? Tell me. Do you like Mr. Best? Circle color is finished. So dear friends, now I color red color using the love reaction heart shape. We also color this picture borderline first. Okay. My dear viewers, please hype my channel and like, comment, share this video. Your like is very important to me, that's inspired to me. Please subscribe my channel and also like, comment, share this video. You can also comment your name. I will draw a picture with your name first letter. Please like, comment, share this video. I told again.